Greetings, teach enthusiasts. Join me on the captivating journey as we uncover the amazing developments and groundbreaking project led by Google IA, the trailblazer and the realm of artificial intelligence. And to start with this wonderful website, get simply head on over to Google IA and click on the first link, this one here, Google IA, the official one. So now we are in the homepage or the interface of the website Google IA, where you'll find a lot of key features and information that you need just read to know more about these websites. So, like you see with me here, why the Google IA? Because it's the ethical of IA. The Google IA is committed to ethical IA development and deployment. It prioritizes fairness, transparency, and accountability in its IA system. Google actively works on addressing biases, ensuring privacy protection, and establishing ethical guidelines for IA research and employment. This all you'll find this just here in just to read that why the IA, and you will just understand the purpose from this application here or the website, whatever you can call it. And here down here you will find the Google products, or also we can call it the application and products. The Google IA applies its research to develop practical application and products. These include Google Assistant, which utilize natural language understanding and generation, computer vision application like Google Lens, and machine learning based features, and various Google services such as Google Search and Google Photos. This is just like see with me here. We have also this instructor video here to get understand very well. And this is the application of the Google, like I said before, and products like Google Photos and Google Maps, Google Meet, and more. And also it provides to us the deep learning and natural networks. The Google IA has made significant contributions to the field of deep learning, a subfield of machine learning that focuses on neural networks. Notably, Google developed TensorFlow, an open source deep learning framework widely used by researchers and developers worldwide. Let's see all the reports that the commitment is present to us. So you can filter by the regions, year published, type, and sorting. And in this section here, you'll find the title of the report, and here you find the type and the year published, and here we find the format. Do you want it PDF, web, or something else? And if you like example, we change the type to economic impact. The results will change here always for the economic impact. And also you can change the year. Like you see, the year published is 2017. And for the stories, This is the stories about the Google IA from different peoples or users. We have like images and video. We need just to click on it to read it or watch it. And for the learning, you need just to go to the about. You will find it here. Like I said before, it's the deep learning and natural networks. The Google IA has made a significant contribution to the field of deep learning, sub-field of machine learning that focuses on natural networks. Notably, Google developed TensorFlow, an open source deep learning framework widely used by researchers and development worldwide. And in every thing that it's exciting you, you need just to click on it to start learning it, like Discover Google for Education or the Explore Grow with Google, or it's called also the IA for social good. The Google IA utilizes the IA technology to tackle societal challenges and make a positive impact. It invests in projects focused on healthcare, environmental sustainability, accessibility, and other areas where IA can be leveraged for social good. And also this wonderful section here, it's for the IA education. The Google IA is dedicated to fostering IA education and offers resources, workshops, and programs to support researchers, students, and the broader IA community. This includes initiatives like the Google IA Residency Program and IA Education Platform. The results in Arabic. To change the language, you need just to go down, very down, and you will find the language over here. And let's change it to the English. So we change the language for the English and the Google for Education. So this will be our site today. I hope you get understand. If you like the video, please subscribe for more and follow me to see more videos like these. So like usual, my guys, let me tell you bye bye to the next video and next website, and I hope you still in good health until that time.